going to talk about some Swiss Army stuff, Swiss Army surplus. There's a lot of it around here. This we're going to look at. What I really wanted to show you was that this still has the price on it. It was 3 whole francs. For 3 whole francs, I have I believe it's the 1991 issue Swiss Army water bottle, which has a drink out of me top. Don't have to undo the top for that. Also comes with a metal cup. 3 francs. This is what the Swiss Army know as a Gamellen. Gamellen. This was 5 francs. This has a clip on the back to be put on the pack. This comes off and becomes a, well, you can drink out of this, you can cook out of it. This is a very sturdy cooking pot. There are actually some marks in here to divide this into what I guess are probably half litres. I would imagine you get 2 litres of liquid in here. It comes with a, I can hang this over a fire. I can hang this over a fire. And more importantly, look, someone's thought about that. Swiss Army surplus.